Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the Bosch Serie 4 washing machine. The reload feature allows you to add missed items to the cycle. You can wash smaller loads more efficiently with Speed Perfect, and you can save on your water bills as well with Active Water. So we're going to head to the lab now where we're going to look at these things in a little bit more detail. So now we're here in the lab, I can show you just how convenient the reload feature is. So to do this, we've already started a cycle and we've left out a few stray items because we've all been there where we've been carrying huge loads of laundry. We've popped on the cycle only to find a stray sock or a top on the stairs, and it's super annoying. But this Bosch washing machine helps you out with this because you can actually load the loose items whilst the cycle has already been started. So I'm just going to show you. Here are our stray items that we left out. All you need to do is click the reload button and then the door will pop open just like that. I pop in the stray items, close the door, click start, and the cycle will run automatically, meaning that there's no loss in cleaning efficiency. So the next thing we're taking a look at is Speed Perfect. You can save yourself plenty of time when it comes to washing smaller loads because Speed Perfect actually cuts the wash time by up to 65% without ever compromising on the cleaning results. So you can use this feature in combination with other programs as well, like the Mix program, which means that you can wash 4 kilos of mixed fabrics all at once in just 46 minutes. And finally, let's talk about Active Water. So you'll never have to worry about your water usage either because Active Water Plus technology cleverly uses the precise amount of water that you need to wash your clothes, so you never use more water than needed. Not only is this good for the environment, but it's kinder to your water bills as well. If you'd like any more info on the Bosch Serie 4 washing machine, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.